What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra on deck, and today is a case video. Now, shout out to the good folks over at Benks. What we got going on today is actually the Armor Air Prestige. Now, this is a case made from real DuPont Kevlar. It's very minimal, and it does provide MagSafe. We take a look at the front, as you can see, scratch resistant, full protection, light and durable. And we got that authentic, stamp of DuPont Kevlar going on. So let's just go ahead and get it out. So it opens up like a book, guys, and as you can see, it talks about Kevlar. Kevlar, high strength, low density, toughness, heat resistant. And then we can just slide the case from the bottom like so. As you see, we greeted with the Prestige, and as you can see, we got a different colorway on this one, guys. I really like when they put the different colors on the Kevlar cases, guys. It looks really unique. I'm so used to black Kevlar cases with just like that black and gray twill, but they putting different colorways on them, and I think this is fire. So as you can see, the Armor Air Prestige, guys, has like a brown goldish type colorway. Then we got some grain lines. Then it goes to like a dark green, which looks really dope. And then the section where we got this raised up ring has like a light goldish tint to it. I really like this ring for protection, how it was raised up around the camera array, but at the same time, I wish it kind of had individual camera cutouts. I like the ring. It looks nice and bolstered and protective, but at the same time, the color of your S25 could clash with the color of the case because the cutout on the back is so big. Now, even though this is the Air, guys, as you can see, we got coverage on the sides. Some cases that are minimal made out of Kevlar don't have coverage on the sides. This case has coverage on the sides. As you can see, we got the proper cutout up top, and we got the slits for easy installation of the case, and then you can easily get the case off. These slits make these cases fit perfect, but at the same time make them able to be put on and taken off the device without too much issue. Down bottom, got a cutout for your S Pen, your speaker, your Type-C, and another slit for a form fit on your S25 Ultra. You take a look on the inside, we got the MagSafe ring, and the MagSafe technology at Benks is called MagClap. And we also just got another certificate of authentic built with DuPont Kevlar. Now, where your button press is on the S25 Ultra, you're just going to have a large cutout, so you're going to get a natural button press. But this case is really feather light, guys. Minimal cases is not for everybody. If you're in the bulky, more protective cases, this isn't for you. But if you're into that minimal lifestyle and you like the cases that feel like you don't even have a case on your phone, like a case like this will feel like your phone is just made out of Kevlar. It's so thin and minimal. Now here we go, guys. I got my silver white S25 Ultra and the Armor Air Prestige, and I must say, it's a good looking case, guys. I like the colorway of the Prestige, guys. How it's got like this darker color down here. It looks to be like a dark green with the green lines to coordinate with the gold. And then like the champagne type almost finish of the ring that goes around the cameras. And this ring is nice and raised up so it protrudes past the cameras and will protect them in the drop on a flat surface. But I am a fan of the individual camera cutouts, but I still think this case looks dope on my S25 Ultra. Now, as you can see, everything lined up perfectly on top. As you can see, we got our button press lined up. You're getting a natural button press on the side, but you got side coverage of the rest of the sides. And I must say, the texture on this Kevlar, this woven Kevlar, give you a nice grip on the device. It's not slippery at all. You can actually feel the sewing and how this is woven and stitched. And that actual texture, I really like that texture, and it provides a great grip. As you can see, you get to your S Pen, and you got plenty of space for your Type-C. Now, out front, this is what it's all about, guys. As you can see, it's barely like I have a case on my device, but I will say it's no real protruding lip on this case, so definitely have you a tempered glass screen protector on your device. There's no real lip on here to save you if you drop this device on this display. So make sure you got that tip of glass on deck. But in the hand, it don't even feel like it got a case on. Like I said, just feel like the device is made out of Kevlar. Really dope, minimal feeling. Now I got a ring holder. I'm just going to check the MagSafe strength. Oh, it locked right into place. I'm trying to throw it off the MagSafe ring holder. I'm only holding the ring holder. The weight of the phone is actually being held by MagSafe strength. And it's not going away, guys. Nice, strong MagSafe on the Armor Air Prestige. But definitely shout out to Benks for sending this one out, guys. I think this is a great looking case, even though it doesn't offer the individual camera cutouts. The Armor Air Prestige is for people that like minimal cases, strong MagSafe, and that dope Kevlar texture. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. It'll be a link down in the description. I'm out. Peace.